How to create a cinematic screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we enter DaVinci, you need to find a RGB pixel texture. I'll personally be using this one. Select your clip and enter the Fusion tab. Drag your RGB texture from the media pool to the node. Merge it with your media in node as shown here. In the inspector for the merge node, set edges to wrap. You want to decrease the size of the merge node by a lot. I recommend 0.004, although it depends on personal preference and the video resolution. Set the apply mode to screen. Decrease blend to about 0.2 depending on preference. That's the main part of the tutorial over. We're now going to do some optional enhancements to make it look a bit better. Add the following nodes: mosaic blur, brightness contrast, glow, and DVE. In the mosaic blur node, set the... What? I'll be done in a minute. Sorry, my mum offered me waffles. I'll be right back. I'm back. The waffles are a very good 8 out of 10. For the mosaic blur, set the pixel frequency to about 2000. In the brightness / contrast node for the inspector, set the gain slightly higher and the lift slightly lower. How much glow you have is just personal preference. I like a very little bit of glow, but do whatever you want. The DVE node is used to change its rotation, so you can change its X rotation, Y rotation and Z rotation. The DVE node also uses keyframes, so you can do gentle gradients.